Here's a little something I want to do. I've got the Brake Buddy Classic 3 that I installed for proportional braking system, and I'll leave a link of that to that installation down below. But I wanted to do a little modification here. This is the clamp arrangement that goes on the brake itself. Basically, it hooks onto the brake, and then this pushes down, locks it in, and then you put your rod on here to push the brake back and forth. The problem I always had with this thing, it's a little awkward getting underneath there and getting this on the brake. And what this was is had a lag tip on it, not a screw or anything. So this thing here flops around, and I try and get it in there, and with this flopping around and this trying to hook over the edge of the brake, it was a little awkward. I had some tape wrapped around there, but that didn't help that much, because anytime you put it in a bag or something, it twists, and then you don't know which direction it twisted in. So trying to adjust it and then put it in and then adjust it again was a little getting to be kind of a pain. So what I thought I'd do is chop the edge of the end of that lag off of there. It's a 5/16 18. I got a 5/16 18 fiber lock nut. Put that onto there, and tighten that up. That, and once I get to the car, I'll get this adjusted so that this nut stays here, so this thing won't move, and then I can slip this over and then lock it down with this top piece. Took a little switch cover, plops that over that, and makes it look good. And so, like I said, this will come once I get it on the brake. I'll finish tightening that down so that this doesn't swivel as much, and hopefully that'll help get this thing installed a little easier than trying to wiggle this around, and a little bit of a mess. Okay, I will show you how that works once I get it in there, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, this is how it works. It's latched on nice and tight. I tightened this nut to that point there after I adjusted this. Now you can take and remove it like that. It comes right off. This doesn't swirl around like that. And you come right over here, latch it like that, bring that over, put that down, and it's nice and tight, and that's how it should work. Alright.